pinch you if you're not careful.
Don't get your lap.
You can grab a foot. It's probably the best way to do it. A rear foot. Yeah, you go, James. Good deal. Give it a little, perfect little shake. Excellent. Who's next? Beautifully done. She's like, Darcy can do it. I'm not touching it. Claire's gonna do it. Get in there, Claire. You got it.
Get in
I'm
it.
missing 18. I need to go back through and find it.
Oh, that smells wonderful.
Yeah, not the best smell.
I'm wearing 2 masks.
Oh my goodness, are you really?
Oh, it does.
Just grab a rear foot really gently and lift it out. You got it.
Here's 18.
You got it? Atta girl.
No.
There you go.
It has to be big.
There you go. That's perfect.
You have
That's outstanding. Good job. Who's next to grab? Anybody else want to grab their own, or is it me?
Breathe in your mouth.
Great.
Oh my gosh, that's so
Atta girl. There you go.
Who else does?
Alright, sorry.
So you guys are the last ones to get your little friend out over here.
Who else does?
Did she drop them? Did you drop them in there? That's great.
I can't feel it otherwise. I think it's right there.
And then make a little circle.
No, he's gonna be alright. Oh, hold on, touch it. It smells bad. He's alright. Get your hands in there, Jack.
This is my work.
That's you who did that? That's excellent work, Jack.
I love it, Jack.
So cute.
Yeah, we have to tie it. We have to. They gotta make it like
Stretch him out. There you go.
tight.
Look at this. This is good surgical precision.
Well, not quite, but
That's pretty good.
yeah, we're pretty close.
Just be real shallow. Drew, are you alright? Okay.
Would it really be up there? Would it really be? Oh, that would make sense.
Where is it? You got it.
So
What are you feeling for? Because I already taken out
the
most
rib
of
cage.
left. You guys are so pretty. Look at pretty.
Spleen.
How
The spleen? Yes, the spleen.
lovely surgery,
Right there.
guys.
A little bit more, just so I can push that down flat. Like go this way.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, like that.
Look at how long this
Cole, you're gonna want some goggles in case it splashes. Some things in there when you open will squirt at you. It's not a lot of fun.
Oh, I can feel the teeth.
You can see the teeth in there. It's cool, isn't it?
It says this is the posterior end of the pig. Yes. It doesn't say what they look like. Just that they're there.
It's just that's very nice. Yeah, guys, y'all are doing so well.
Are we allowed to cut this, Danny?
Yeah, you can cut it a little. Careful though, because you're gonna want to. I would cut around it instead. Like I would make a little incision around it so that you can pull it to the side, because it's gonna be easier to pin down if you have it.
So I think you have to.
It's dead. It doesn't need anything.
It only needs its nose. That's what makes it real.
Let's just cut the nose off real quick.
Let's try reversing this. Let's find a stop to get to it. You can open, that's muscle. You can probably go open it up a little.
Yeah, I don't see.
Where's the stomach?
What you looking for in here?
Epidermis.
Epididymis. So this is a boy pig? Yes. All right, so you're gonna have to find a testes first to find an epididymis. So let's see, you're gonna have to look around in here a little bit, lift some of this out of the way. And when you find, have you found testes yet?
1730.
It just wants gender and
Your phone has got to be full of the worst stuff. Come on.
What now?
Your phone must be full of the worst stuff inside of your camera roll with all these dead
Oh yeah, my camera roll's really gross. It's full of like
Alright, can you get the scissors
Dead
off the
animal.
opened up animals, yep. So when you're wrapping up, be sure that you sop up any of the fluid with a paper towel, put it in that bag, zip it up with anything that's trash or waste.
Miss Danny,
Yeah?
where's the ant farm?
It's over there, I think.
thread?
Or